Moko kuom jo od bura kata MCAs ma kaunti ma Isiolo kod ripode ma yango ni od burano okadho budget mar omenda magana 225 gana 226 e tok chik. Jotelo mag od bura ma Isiolo wacho ni budget no kadhi kaluwore kod chik kendo giseyo josiasa ma giwacho ni temo kelo athua e gwenge makono.
By the county government act and also the standing orders of the county assembly, we as the members, we have the members of the budget committee. 3 of us are here, and the quorum of the county assembly the committee is 3 members and above. So we sign the report, take it to the house, approved, and that's why we approve also the bill as at the county assembly.
Budget 2025-2026 has passed through the legal processes. All the steps were taken. No steps was not passed. I'd actually want to tell the general public of Isiolo that everything was in order. They should not be misled. As the vice chair of the budget committee, I took the initiative as with the other members. We followed all the due processes. The budget is in order.
Walilete juicy assembly, ililetwa na executive. Na sisi tukaenda through na tukavalidate na tukamaliza. Kwa hivyo wale wanasema ya kwamba haikupitishwa, tulipitisha wakati hawa walikuwa wanahangaika huko, unajua tulikosana kidogo.